So your next task is to respond to a Flipgrid question that I have posted. So when you click on this, I gave you some resources right here, and this can give you some ideas to the questions that I'm going to ask within the Flipgrid. So I just want to show you this first before I show you how to respond. So this resource shows you all different Flipgrids, so different classes that people have. So if you teach middle school in general, you would click this code, math, ELA, science, history. So for example, I'm going to show you this middle school math since I teach math. So I'm writing down the code, and what I'm going to do is go to flipgrid.com. Okay, it's going to load. Hopefully sooner than later. Okay, so I'm going to enter that code, FE62C9. That gives me the code, and this must be Jen, the most recent video, so I'm going to click off of that. But what I can see are all these different Flipgrids that people have done using Flipgrid in a cyber environment, how Wales is using Flipgrid, Fluency Check. So this is going to give you some ideas on how you can incorporate Flipgrid into your classroom. So I suggest playing around through here a little bit. It might inspire you to get some ideas, and you also can use this to help when you look at the Disco library, which we'll get to in shortly. So I just wanted to show you that resource. Okay, now what we're going to do is actually join my Flipgrid class. So flipgrid.com. And remember, I told you how to change the codes. The code we're going to use, remember, for this class is Piacenti Staff. You should already be logged in here, but it might not have signed in again if you started at a different point in time. So here's our class. What you're going to do, and this is what I would do when I'm instructing the students, is I would say watch the video first and also read the instructions. So during this video, I am asking the students, which are you right now, your name, the school you work at, grade, and subject. Then how do you think you can use Flipgrid in your classroom? If you have an idea, great. If not, try looking through those resources that I provided. And then finally, would you rather be a superhero or wizard, and why? So I outline this for the students, and then I show them a sample video of what I expect from them. So what you would do now is you would press play. The video comes up. It plays all the way through, and I'll let you do that on your own time. That's the example of what I would like you to do. So when you watch the full video, you can click off the X, and now it's your turn to try. So to upload your video, you are going to click on this plus sign. You might have to accept or allow the webcam. So that's like right up top on your computer. So you would accept it. When you're ready, you're going to press this red button and click record. So let's practice. Hello, my name is Jamie Piacenti, and I would go on and on and on and continue with what I'm saying. So when you're done, you can press pause. If you don't like it, you can trash it. If you're good, you push next. And it'll keep repeating after you push next over and over again what you said. So let's do that, and you can see. You can also add more if you'd like to add more, or if you're all set, click next. Then the last step is to take a selfie. So I'm going to take this off. After you take your selfie, you then get the chance to decorate with little stickers. You can size things, make them bigger, smaller, rotate them. Maybe I'm going to give myself some Frankenstein. Okay? Maybe put a little kitty cat up here, whatever you want to do. And there's all different things along the bottom. If you want to put some nice tea on there, whatever you want to do. And make it fun. When you're all set, you'll click submit. It loads it. It says I'm all done. And then you see my story here. So what I would like you to do is submit yours and then come back and you can watch everybody else's. When you want to watch, you just click on it. It opens up and plays. And then you can like this video, or you can reply back with a video to someone. Just play around with it. Reply back with videos to people within this class. I think it's a lot of fun to play around with and really try out some of the features of Flipgrid. So you can, if you want to reply, you reply back with a video. Hi, I really liked your video. I thought that I agree with you on something, such as blah, blah, blah. Then again, you'd press pause. Next, you hear the video, you take a selfie, and you add designs to it, and you click submit. So then you can see that I have a response down here. So that's just something to play around with. So right now what I need you to do is, again, whoops, sorry about that. You're going to click on the green plus sign, and you're going to answer those following questions that I listed on that front page. So remember, we're introducing ourselves. So real quick, log in, and here it is with our questions. And as you can see, as more people post, these bubbles will start to show up. If you have any questions, just let me know.